10 minutes past 10 on 11/11/11, and we are on the Iran-Afghan border outside District Development Assembly, where I am with a bunch of women leaders, and we're trying to see the meaning of resilient nations and empowered lives.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن بطش ربك لشديد.
A recitation from the Holy Quran and the District Development Assembly gets into session in Adriskan, some 90 kilometers south of Herat in western Afghanistan. Leading the charge is Magul Afzali, the feisty woman head of the local assembly. After signing off on one or two petitions, Magul settles down to the day's business.
یک بند جوی کالیک پایه و همچنین کارهای فعلا که روی کار داریم ما تقاضا داریم و از آینده همچنین 1100 نفر مالدار که توزیع مواد غذایی.
From the face of it, Adriskan resembles just any small town of Afghanistan. Ruggedly scenic, subsistent, and devoid of economic energy. The difference is in the resilience of its inhabitants, who are united in their resolve to let a woman lead them towards a better future.
موجودیت خواهر ماگل جان به این محیط بسیار اثر مثبتی گذاشته که همه خواهرها هم ردیف ساخته و برادرها هم ردیف ساخته. یک نظم به وجود آمده که اولی که در این ولسوالی بین مردا و بین بخشوناس تبعیض خیلی وجود داشت. اونا زحمت کشیدن که همین مسئله یک طرف ساختن که حال هیچ کسی به این مطلب توجه نداره. همه برادر و خواهر زندگی میکنن و کارهای اجتماعی یک جا انجام میدن.
به خاطر که شورای انکشافی وقتی که داد شده سرک آباد شده، خیلی جواب خواهد شده، مثال کاریزات زیاد شده، خیلی دستاوردهای زیادی داشتن. خاطر شورای انکشافی مثلی که هسته این سرنوشت خود ولسوالیه. به خاطر هر کاری، هر پروژه‌ای، هر چیزی که داخل ولسوالی میشه به دست شورای انکشافی به دست گرفته.
In a district assembly of 30 representatives, with equal representation of men and women, Magul has earned the respect of her peers by virtue of her can-do attitude, tenacity, and the ability to engage the local tribal elders as an equal. Abdullah, her husband, a daily wage worker, says he has every faith his wife will work to bring job opportunities for men like him who are often without work.
مشکل خود رفت. ما اگر به نمایندگی از برادرها و همشیرها صحبت کنم که در فرصتی که 2 ماهه، چون بعضی کارهای ابتدایی که خیلی کوچک باشه ما میتونیم به دست بیاریم و در فرصتی که 1 ساله و 2 ساله باشه ما میتونیم از طریق معارف سواد آموزی به دست بیاریم، هم از بخش برادرها و هم از همشیرها. و در فرصت 2 ساله میتونیم ما اکثریت همشیرها اگر به 1 سال بتونه خود به جایی برسونه بعضی‌هایی که سواد داره و میتونیم قابله‌های صحیح دکترای صحیح تهیه کنیم، چون به ادرسکن هیچ نوع دکتر زنانه وجود نداره.
There's a palpable sense of fulfillment among the trainers from UNDP in seeing a woman of humble origins holding her own in a man's world and emerging as a role model for women of this remote district.
The big change which I can consider, especially in the Adriskan, now the women can set women together, they can discuss their issue, they can discuss their problem, and they can propose for their projects, not only for project for themselves. They can talk about men's problem and men's situation, which was a new thing for me in Adriskan, and also the increment of number of women in DDAs. It is another issue which was the past. It was not possible even the women can come out from their homes. But now they are the part of big development issue in Afghanistan, which is rural development. So it's a big change in their lives.
Thank you.
Also through this DDA, we are focusing on participation of women in DDA, and through DDA helping the women in the village, in the district, and in their area.
As women push for training of midwives and building of new schools for girls, and men seek better roads, electricity, and work to feed families, it's clear local level democracy is taking root in Afghanistan. An empowered woman is showing the way to a million others, giving voice to local aspirations in this land of 1,000 splendid suns.